Hey guys, it's Madeline. Happy New Year. I'm so thankful it is 2020. It is about time. I think a lot of people did not have an easy year in 2019, and I am praying that anyone that didn't have an easy year has an incredible year. I hope that this year brings you good health, great blessings, everything. It's gonna be a good year. So today I am going to be filming my December, end of 2019 favorites. I have a lot of them. I mean, oh. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start off, you guys, I did get 3 new tattoos on December 28th, and oh my god, I am so in love with them. So the first one that I got is this beautiful ivy, vine, whatever. There's no special meaning to this. I just wanted it because I think it's pretty. I am in love with this. I love how it looks. I think it looks like I needed it. So the next tattoo that I got, I'm gonna have to stand up to show you guys this. It is Happiness. They put a clear sticky bandage on top of it and my skin did not like it, so you can still see where it's red and irritated around it, but I love this one. The last one that I got are these 3 stars. The Happiness and the 3 stars do have meanings to them. The Happiness, if you are one of my very close friends, you know that I have been through so much in life, but no matter all the bad things I've been through, God has still given me so much to be happy for. So that's a very special one for me. And then this one is also very special. I did get this as a matching one with my mom. This is our 2nd matching tattoo. I love it. It's so much fun. Highly recommend getting a matching tattoo with your mama. The 3 stars symbolize my sister, me, and my mom. If you didn't know, my sister passed away from cancer when I was very young. She was older than me, and whenever we are looking up at the sky at night, we feel so connected to her, looking at the stars and just connected to the spiritual world, heaven. Stars have been a very big thing to my mom and I for many years. So this, I was like, why don't we get stars tattooed? So we did, and I love the spot that I got them in. So yeah, 3 new tattoos. 2020, I'm ready for it. You guys, I even have acrylics. I mean, who is she? I should probably start off by saying that almost all of these favorites, I have a lot of these favorites that are on my face right now. So a tutorial on this look, if you're interested, will be up next week. When it's completed, I will edit the description box down below and link that down there. That way I show you guys how these products perform and why I love them so much. I think I want to get skincare and random stuff out of the way first, then we'll jump into beauty products, and then I have a couple of clothing items I want to show you guys. So I actually have a couple beauty cleaning products that I want to talk about first. So let's get started with the Beauty Blender Cleanser. If you guys have been watching my videos since I first started my channel, I had an unboxing haul and I showed how I purchased this. This is amazing, but I was like, for $30, I mean, I do get the big full-size ones, so it's kind of worth the money because I haven't had to buy a new one for 6 months. So that's pretty good. I was cleaning my beauty sponges with just regular antibacterial hand soap after I ran out of this, and it does not do anything compared to this product, you guys. This is amazing. It leaves my sponges almost spotless, unless if there are really deep foundation stains. It seriously zaps everything. It kills 99% of bacteria, I believe. It also has a nice light lavender scent, so I love this. It cleans my sponges like no other. So I am sticking to this in 2020 and probably forever. Just really quick, since we are already on the topic of the Beauty Blender brand, that is hard to say. You guys, their new shade shifting beauty blender is so cool. I had to give it a try. I definitely think that this is the comeback that Beauty Blender really needed. You guys, there are so many amazing foundation sponges out there on the market now that are way cheaper than this $20 blender, but you guys, this is so cool. So as you can tell, it's this nice light lavender shade. When you get it wet with warm water, it turns into a very light blue shade, and I just think that is outstanding. So I am loving this. I do love the way that the OG Beauty Blender applies my foundation. It truly is unlike any sponge. So I'm very thankful that I picked this up. Of course, my cats are already gnawing on it. I was so mad. I swear they have not done this to any other sponge other than the $20 Beauty Blender. It's they know what it costs and they want to mess with me. I found this 2 days, I think, after I bought it on my floor, and it has this tear in it. Thanks guys. Okay, so moving on to the second beauty cleaning product. You guys, this Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner is outstanding. It is so cool. It comes with this cute little case if you buy it. in the bundle. I mean, this stuff is magic, you guys. You open this up, you dump a little bit in there, like just a tiny, tiny bit, and then you just like lightly dip your brush into it, and you have some paper towel, an old towel, whatever you wish, and you just like rub it in there, and it looks like you just thoroughly washed your makeup brush. So I have been obsessed with this. Casey Holmes recommended it, so I knew it was gonna be great, and she doesn't disappoint, and neither does this product. So then I have two body care items, I guess you could call them. The first one is this self tanner by MineTan. You guys may have seen a previous video where I talked about the like coconut coffee self tanner by them. Well, this is my new favorite. This is their classic Mink 1 hour express tan, and it is so good. So it's formulated for neutral undertones, which is what I have. So I was like, well, that's really cool. And it looks good, you guys. Like, this looks like my summer tan in a bottle. So honestly, except for wearing sunscreen while kayaking, I'm probably never going to sit in a tanning bed or underneath the sun just to tan ever again. Like, this is that good of a product. It lasts for a week. I mean, I have it on right now, but it is like a few days old, so it's not as vibrant. And I also love their purple applicator mitt to apply it as well. Then I have a body lotion that I have been loving, you guys, for 3 years, I think. 2.5. Anyways, this smells heavenly. This is the Sparkling Hollyberries Body Lotion by Philosophy. This just smells so fresh and clean, and it comes in a set with the body wash too. I originally purchased it, I think it was 2 years ago, 2017. Well, I guess technically now that's 3 years ago, hey? So I originally first purchased this through Sephora for $27 the first time I bought it. This is the second year I have seen this sold at Marshall's and TJ Maxx. Last year I didn't buy it because my mom actually had like hers left over, so I finished up hers. And then this year I bought it at Marshall's, and that was only like $14, I think. So it's so good. If you guys can find this at your TJ Maxx or Marshall's, I highly recommend buying this. It smells incredible. It's so fresh. It's not overpowering. Love it. Okay, I think now I want to make the transition into makeup and beauty products. So let's get started with the Bling Brushes Starry Nights collection. You guys have seen me use this in all of my tutorials since I bought these. I absolutely love them. I'm so sorry that they are dirty. I use them, so, but they are just, oh my goodness. Okay, this is dirty too, gross. These are just such stunning brushes. The one and only thing that I don't like, because of how bulky these gems are when you like shove them back in this case, it's just like, that was kind of intensified to show you guys what it's like, but like the big brushes especially, it's kind of hard to like shove them back in there. Of course, it's not hard at all while I'm showing you guys, but when I'm trying to do my makeup quick and I'm like tossing these brushes back in there, it is kind of obnoxious. I mean, that's my only complaints about it. I love these brushes. I think the only thing that would make me love these more is if they weren't gems glued on here, and if it was just like black glitter that was adhered very well onto these. I think that would be even better, but I don't mind the texture of them at all. They are so stunning. I love the way they glisten, so okay, there we go. Now you guys saw what I was talking about. Anyways, these are kind of pricey, but I think they're worth the price. The quality is amazing. I haven't lost any bristles. They're very soft, so love. Now let's talk about Lilly lashes in the style Miami. I am wearing them on my eyes right now. You guys, I just bought 2 extra pairs. They were having like a Christmas holiday deal on these where it was buy one Miami, get one free. So that's a steal because these are $29 lashes. So I had to take up that offer. These are just so beautiful, you guys. They are so fluffy, but they aren't too dramatic like Lilly Lashes Mykonos. These are such gorgeous lashes. They're full, yet they are separated enough so that it doesn't take away from your eyeshadow. So I definitely recommend giving these a try if you do like dramatic lashes. Let's talk about primer next. I know that you guys know how much I love this, but I haven't talked about it in quite a few videos, so I figured I would just give you guys a reminder how much I love the Kane & Austin Mattifying and Protecting Primer. There is just nothing like this product, you guys. This is my 3rd tube that I've purchased. I'm just about to start it. I think I just used up the last of my 2nd tube today when I did my makeup, and I'm so thankful that I have another one. I also bought this for my mom's Christmas presents, and she loves it. It just smooths out pores. It makes your makeup last so much longer. Most importantly, it helps control my crazy oily skin. I just haven't found a different primer that I love. This is it. You also get 1 1.5 ounces, which is basically like you're getting 1.5 of a product, because typically primers are just 1 ounce. It does kind of justify the price a little bit, at least, I think. I don't know. So I have been absolutely loving a few foundations. One I'm still trying to test out a little bit more before I bring it to the light, but I first want to talk about the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Mine is in the shade 4 Neutral, and you guys, like, this is good. It is so airbrush. It is what I'm wearing on my skin today. It's matte, it's full coverage, it's airbrush, like I said, and this covers up redness so good. You guys will see that in my tutorial next week. I kind of have like a love-hate relationship with the smell of this foundation. Like, it smells good, but at the same time, like, you know when smokers come back in from smoking and then they douse themselves with perfume, and it's like, girl, you might as well have just not even done that. It almost kind of smells like that, where it's just like, oh, what is this like slightly smoky, perfumey scent? I don't know. That's probably gonna like ruin this review for you guys. The foundation itself is an incredible product. I really recommend this if you have acne scarring, oily skin. You guys will love this, but just make sure you do go down a couple shades than usual, because this does oxidize. The second foundation that I want to talk about that I have fallen in love with all over again is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Foundation. This is pretty much the only foundation that I can rely on for keeping me matte all day. I don't know what it is, but it just like clings to my face. It stays where I put it, and it keeps me matte. It is so awesome. It is what I need in this world. So I use the shade Porcelain when I am like running out of my self tan on my skin and I'm starting to get paler and paler. This matches me really good for that. And light beige is really great when I am freshly self tanned. Let me know if you guys give it a try. I did buy a second one because Sephora had it on sale, and then they had 20% off on sale products. Not sure if that's still going on at the moment, but if it is, definitely give this a try. All right, you guys, now it's time to talk about the Jaclyn Hill highlighters. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are so much different than a regular highlighter. I don't know what it is, but it is not chunky, it's not glittery, it's just this beautiful sheen that angelically applies to your cheekbones. So I did get the Flash palette. Comes with 4 shades. It is stunning. So stunning. I love to use this first and then apply her loose highlighter in the shade High Volt on top. And where are her brushes? So I did buy her sets where the J02 brush came with the Flash palette and her J03 came with her loose highlighter. And I have no regrets, you guys. Like, these brushes apply her highlighters perfectly. I really recommend, if you are going to buy the highlighters, just go for it. Get the set that contains her brushes because they are so good. And I mean, they're like really pretty. Oh, of course, I do have them on my cheekbones at the moment. And oh my gosh, you guys. Stunning. Like I said, my tutorial will be up next week, so keep an eye out for it. I do use these highlighters and show you guys how they apply. Oh my gosh, you guys, I totally forgot to talk about the Lilly Lashes Lash Adhesive. So let's just talk about this real quick. I had this mixed in with like my lip balms and lip products. This stuff is really, really great, you guys. This sticks my eyelashes on my eyes like there is going to be an apocalypse. I don't know. Like, they stick on so good. And this is so contact friendly because my eyes don't burn with this, they don't get irritated. So just a really quick little side note that this is some good stuff. All right, now for lip products. I do have like one lip treatment and then a few lip balms I want to talk about. So for lip balms, I'm like 5 years old. I saw this lip smacker set at Target and I had to buy it. So it contains a cranberry lip smacker, peppermint mocha, and pumpkin brulee. And they smell so good, you guys. I pretty much just kept this for like the purpose of this video. You guys are gonna be like, yeah, right. Now I'm probably gonna toss this little guy out. I just wanted them to be all together. Anyways, I have one adult lip balm. I'm just kidding. You guys, like, you can really buy lip smackers at any age. I'm telling you, don't be ashamed. But this next lip balm is so incredible. I also got this for one of my mom's Christmas presents because I was like, oh, mom, smell how good this is. Like, wink, wink, I'm gonna get this for Christmas for you. This is the Hempz Minted Sugar and Spiced Nutmeg Herbal Lip Balm. It is quite a lengthy name, but it is so great, you guys. It's just a nice, thick, amazing smelling lip balm. It smells like Christmas. and a lip balm. And then for a lip treatment, you guys know how much I have loved the Laneige lip masks. The only thing is those are slightly more like slippery and watery than what I typically prefer for lip treatments. So what I have been loving, because it went on sale on Sephora, I know that they have been out of stock for a while because I wanted to get the original one too. So it doesn't say on the packaging itself. I think this is the champagne one, but whatever. This is the Bite Beauty Agave lip mask, and this is good stuff, you guys. It is so thick and it smells like hot cocoa. I hate to even say it, but I do think that this moisturizes my lips so much better at night, at least in the winter, than the Laneige lip mask. So now also some lip stuff to talk about. I first want to talk about how much I have been loving the Patrick Ta She's Proud lip liner. This is such a gorgeous component, and I love that there is a little clicker at the bottom here. So you open it up and it's like a slanted, thicker lip liner right up there. And then at the bottom here, you have this little clicker that pushes up the product. I think that's incredible. Yes, it's pricey. I would highly suggest waiting until the Sephora like spring sale to purchase this, where it's 20% off, but it is worth it, you guys. This shade is beautiful. I also have this on my lips right now. So for lipsticks, there have been two that I could not stop reaching for all December are these two. Let's see. We got the Too Faced Doll Face lipstick. We'll talk about this one first. This is such an incredible consistency, you guys. It is such a gorgeous nude. I love the little peach imprints on it. It's so cute. So this is a matte lipstick, but it goes on so creamy. It is such a great light nude. This is what I wore in my New Year's Eve glam look. Well, plus it's on my lips right now, but I do have it mixed with the other lipstick that I want to talk about, and that would be the Kylie Cosmetics Angel Cake lipstick. This is also such a gorgeous nude. This is just like a hair, just like a touch more pinky than this nude, I would say. Both of these are gorgeous. I actually do have both of these on my lips right now. And then I don't know what happened, but towards the end of 2019, I think I blacked out and I went on a lip gloss binge. So I have plenty of new lip glosses for 2020. I do not need to purchase one more. The one that I have been loving so much is this Lime Crime Wet Cherry lip gloss, and this is in the shade White Cherry. It is such a beautiful nude lip gloss, you guys, and it smells like cherries but not overpowering to the point where I get a headache. It's such a good scent. I also have this on my lips. Then a couple randomly great scented things I want to talk about. The first thing is this Nest perfume in the scent Black Tulip. I think I just said that weird tulip. There we go, that's more like it. This smells so good, you guys. I don't know what it is, but last year I had a little rollerball sample of this and I just wasn't in love with it yet. And then this year I gave it a try again and I was like, okay, I need the full size, done deal. Oh my gosh, it is such a great, like, musky yet girly wintry scent. It is just overall incredible. If you're interested in giving this a try, go to Sephora and they will give you a free sample of it. The next thing is really random, but it is this Target candle. This is their Chesapeake Bay candle in the scent Cashmere Plum, and oh, I have not been able to get enough of this, you guys. This was like $14.99, I believe, and I've already burned through like half of it, so that kind of makes me sad. Oh my goodness, it is such a good smell. It's very hard to describe, but I'm like the worst at describing scents. I really hope that they are still selling this at Target. I did buy it in December, so hopefully they still have it. You guys need to go there and sniff this candle because it's incredible. So next I have an accessory that I want to share with you guys. Look at this cute little bag. So this is like a vintage little antique bag that I actually found at Discovery. That store has a lot of random stuff, but a lot of good stuff if you search hard enough. And this was something that I just loved. It was cheap, like 14 bucks, and I wanted to share it with you guys. My camera's dying, so I need to talk fast. Okay, then I have two cozy things I want to talk about. These UGG slippers. These are kind of hard to show. My mom got me these for Christmas and I love them. They are so comfy. I love that they stay put on my feet. And then the next and last thing is this airy Sherpa robe. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so cozy. It was like half off. I don't really know how to show off a robe, but if you are looking for a new robe, check out Aries. They are so soft and cozy. Okay, I really need to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!